RYOBI 18-volt 1 plus half-gallon electrostatic sprayer how to start guide. Always make sure you wear the proper PPE. Read and follow the warnings and instructions in the operator's manual. The reason we prime the sprayer is to remove air prior to starting. First, make sure the nozzle selector is tightened securely. If the nozzle selector is not tight, the nozzles will leak during application. Next, turn the nozzle to high for the most effective priming. Once the nozzle is set to high, hold the trigger until the spray is consistent and even. This could take up to 60 seconds depending on the air trapped inside. Keep in mind, the unit needs to be parallel to the ground while priming the unit for optimal performance. Be mindful of the location in which you are spraying, since liquid will still come out of the nozzle during the priming process. Once the spray is consistent and even, release the trigger and turn the nozzle selector to your desired setting and begin using your product. To save chemical, you can prime using water before adding in your desired solution.